Hi friends, in this video, I will talk about is.vector function and also I will talk about as.vector function. So, firstly we will see what is the work of is.vector function. Is.vector function we use to check whether the object is vector or not. So firstly, we will see the syntax of is.vector function. So the syntax of is.vector function is inside the function, we need to pass the name of object along with the mode. Means we can firstly give the name of the object and we can also check what is the type of that object. So that way we can use the is.vector function. So to understand this, firstly I am creating here a vector using C function with certain elements inside it. So I have created a vector V. I am pressing Ctrl Enter to execute it in our environment. It is successfully executed. Now I am using is.vector function. Inside this, I am passing the name of my vector, that is V. So firstly, I am only giving the name of vector V, pressing Ctrl Enter. So you can see in console, we are getting true. That means V is a vector. Now, one more thing I'll do here, I'll pass the mode of my vector V with its name. So now suppose I'm writing here character, pressing Ctrl Enter. So you can see we are getting false because vector V is not a character vector. Now I'm copying the line number 9 and inside the is.vector function, instead of character, I'm typing numeric. Now pressing Ctrl Enter, so you can see, yes, V is a vector and it is a numeric type of vector. So this way we can use is.vector function to check whether the given object is vector or not, and also we can check what given vector has what kind of type. So this is the role of or work of is.vector function. Now, when I'm talking about as.vector function, so as.vector function converts a given object into the vector. So again, the syntax of as.vector function is inside this, we need to give the name of object along with its mode. We can also change the mode of any object using as.vector function. So say for example, I'm creating a vector using C function and this time I am keeping some numbers in vector V using double quotation. I am pressing Ctrl Enter. It is successfully executed. Now firstly, we will check whether the created object is vector or not. So I am using is.vector function. Inside this, I am passing name of vector, pressing Ctrl Enter. So we can see in console, we are getting true. That means V is a vector. Now, with the name of object, I am passing the type of my vector, numeric. I am checking whether the V is numeric vector, pressing Ctrl Enter. So you can see we are getting false. Now, when I am writing character, so you can see in console we are getting true. Now using as.vector function, I can change the type of my vector V. So I'm passing the name of my vector inside the as.vector function along with whatever type I want to define here, I can do. I am pressing Ctrl Enter. So you can see I'm not getting any error. And in console, I'm getting the elements as 1, 3, 5 and elements are not represented in double quotation. So again, I'm checking that whether the vector v is numeric kind of vector or not. So I'm pressing Control Enter, and you can see in console I'm getting false. Why so? Because I need to firstly store, when I'm converting my vector as numeric, so I need to store it in any particular object. So say for example, again I'm storing my vector in V. I'm pressing Control Enter. Now when I'll check this, you can see it is giving me true, that yes, now V is a numeric vector. So this way, this is the work of as.vector function. So I hope friends you have understood how we can use is.vector function and how we can use as.vector function in R. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected for more such videos in R. Thank you.